Oh, hey y'all. What are y'all doing here? Who invited you? Y'all, I'm so silly. Hey y'all, what is up? I am coming at you guys with a haul, okay? I was laying in bed having a glass of wine, keto wine that is, but I was like, you know what, let me get out of the bed and be productive, okay? I may as well show you guys a haul of some of the things that I've been picking up over the weekend, okay? Because I do need to put this stuff up. Y'all, my husband is downstairs playing music. He is blasting DMX. So hopefully it's not picking up in the camera because I do not want any copyright issues going on, okay? But anywho, let's get into this haul. Okay, y'all, so I went to Ross because we love Ross, okay? And then I also went to the Dollar Tree because we love the Dollar Tree. Okay, so y'all, I guess I can start off by showing you guys no, let's do the Dollar Tree. Let me show you the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna show you all the Dollar Tree first, and then I'll show you Ross because I really didn't get a lot from Ross. All right, Dollar Tree, here we go. So the first thing that I picked up from Dollar Tree is these cotton rounds, and y'all, I love these cotton rounds. Like, I make sure I pick up at least 2 to 3 packs every time I go in there. This time around I got 2, and this should last me for a while, but this is definitely a staple from Dollar Tree. All right, so got me some cotton rounds, and I need to really do a video on my favorite Dollar Tree items because seriously, y'all, I'm in Dollar Tree like every other day. I can't help it. And remind me to show y'all what wine I'm drinking, okay, in my Dollar Tree glass. I showed y'all this glass last week, but look at this glass. Y'all, this glass is absolutely amazing. I just love the way it's shaped. It does not look like it came from the Dollar Tree at all. And it even feels elegant to hold. Like, oh my God, this glass is beautiful. I love this. I actually picked up 2. And when I went back to the Dollar Tree to get 2 more, they were sold out. But I love this glass, y'all. So this is also a Dollar Tree item. The wine came from Aldi. So remind me to show you guys what wine I'm drinking because I want to put y'all on. If you're following a low-carb diet, of course. Alright, so let's continue on with this Dollar Tree haul. I picked up this Good and Clean. This is a disinfectant wipes, and this in lavender scented. Y'all, your girl has been on a lavender kick, and I've been loving every single thing lavender scented. Alright, so I picked these bad boys up, and I have not tried these yet, but I can't wait to use them. I saw like good reviews on these when I searched Dollar Tree hauls. So it's supposed to kill the coronavirus. It kills 99.99% of bacteria in 15 seconds, and it also cleans and disinfects household surfaces. So I can't wait to use these, you guys. You get 30 wipes for $1.25. So not bad. Oh my God, they smell. Ooh, y'all, they smell. Wow, they smell so good. They hit that lavender on the head. They smell so freaking good. And I should have gotten 2. Why didn't I get 2? I'm gonna go back tomorrow and get another one because I want to keep this in my bathroom so I can wipe down my sink, and then I need 1 for the kitchen and 1 for hubby's bathroom and for the one downstairs. Maybe I should have gotten 3. So I'm gonna go back tomorrow and get 2 more. But yeah, y'all, yes, can't wait to use that. So I'm going to use those, and then I'll let you know my thoughts. Because normally I pick up like the Lysol or the Clorox wipes. But yeah, you can't beat this. 30 sheets for $1.25. Yeah. So then next, y'all, I picked up some trash bags. And I love these trash bags, you guys. Normally for the kitchen, we use the Glade trash bags. And they're very, very, very expensive, okay? These little cheapies I like to use for my bathroom instead of using like grocery bags, because I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I will use a grocery bag depending on if I run out of my bags, but it's all about aesthetics to me, y'all. So I do like to use these for the bathroom. You get 10 bags for, is it backwards? No. Okay, you get 10 bags for, let me turn it this way. All right, we need English. There we go. So you get 10 bags for $1.25, and they are a 30 gallon? Yes, 30 gallon bags. So I love to get these for my trash can, and they are really sturdy, you guys. So I love these. I love. I should have gotten like 2 more, but normally 10 for the bathrooms lasts a long time. All right, so this is definitely a staple. I always pick those trash bags up. I've been loving Fabuloso, right? Loving Fabuloso. But my sister was like, you need to try Ajax. She was like, because Ajax smells good too. Don't sleep on Ajax. And I love Ajax because I use like the powder Ajax or either Common to clean my tub with. But she was like, try the liquid. So I picked this up, you guys. This is the Stronger Than Dirt Ajax multi-purpose cleaner, and I got it in the scent lime and baking soda. And here's what it looks like. And I did smell this when I was in the store. It smells absolutely so amazing. I'm going to put it in one of my old spray bottles, and I'm going to use this for the kitchen. All right, because it just smells like it needs to be in the kitchen. So yeah, y'all got this. But I've been loving my Fabuloso like a lot. Let me smell this again though. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like lime and baking soda. It smells so nice and fresh, y'all. I can't wait to wipe the cabinets down with this. So I picked that up. Then you guys, I picked up a 3-pack toothbrush. It's time to change out the toothbrushes. Usually I use 1 tooth, y'all. I'm just so extra, okay? I will use 2 toothbrushes and then I'll give 1 to my husband. But I use 1 toothbrush for my turmeric mixture that I do to whiten my teeth, okay, because it normally turns the bristles like yellow. And then I use the other to like brush my teeth with toothpaste. I know, might be extra, but that is what I do. So I always buy the 3-pack. So again, I'm gonna keep 2 and I'm gonna give, so I'm gonna keep 2 and I'm gonna give the other 1 to my husband. So got that. And you can't beat this, you guys. You just cannot beat this. 3 for $1.25, yeah. So next I picked up another toothpaste, and I didn't need toothpaste, y'all, but I just love to buy toothpaste, okay, obviously, for obvious reasons. And this is the Colgate Max Fresh Whitening Breath Strips toothpaste. And again, it looks like this, and this is one of my favorites, y'all. I either love to use this one because this one just like freshens your breath, or I love to use the Crest 3D White, my favorites, okay? So I got another one of these. And let me just take it out so you guys can see. Yeah, y'all, we love this. It makes your mouth feel so fresh for so many hours. So got that. All right, what's next? So y'all, I picked up some nails by LA Colors, and here's what they look like. They're like a French tip, and the tip is black, and I've used these before, you guys. As a matter of fact, the nails that I have on right now are by LA Color, and they're lasting pretty good. But I really love this black French tip, so I was like, let me give these ones a go. All right, y'all, so next on my list is a room spray. And y'all, this room spray smells good as I don't know what. But this room spray is by a company called Aramar, and it's White Garnier Room Mist, okay? And y'all, can y'all see that? Hopefully you can. Like, hopefully it's not washed out, but that is what it looks like. White Garnier, and it smells, y'all, so freaking amazing. I literally just brought some Bath and Body Works candles in this scent, and this spray smells identical to the candles, you guys. It smells so good. I sprayed this while I was in Dollar Tree. I decided to only get 1 because I wanted to bring it home to test it out to see, you know, how long it would last in my room. But oh my god, this scent is everything. And they had other scents to choose from as well, but I decided to start with this one first. And so here's what it looks like, just in case you guys want to go and find it. But when I tell y'all, it smells so good, so good. I am thinking about taking this one to work to spray in my office. So that's what that looks like. Y'all, this smells absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go back. I have to go back and get more of this scent. I'm telling you guys, I will not steer you wrong. When the next time you go to Dollar Tree, look for this. Let me tell you where you can find it. You can either find it by all of what in my Dollar Tree, they had it near, you know how you go down like the home decor aisle where they have all the candles and the incense? that's where you can find this. And again, they have so much to choose from, but this one smelled better than the rest. So you can find it there, or you can find it like by the cleansers where the Ajax and the Fabuloso is located. But y'all, this smells so good. I can see me, you know what, actually I need to get one for the bathroom downstairs, one for my living room. I need to get one for my bathroom up here, because this one I'm going to put in my office. I also need to get one for the bedroom. But y'all, this is it. That smells so freaking good. I'm going to put this in my purse after I'm done with this video, so I can remember to take this to work. That is going to go in my office. That smells amazing. Alright, so we've gotten through one bag. That's that. Now let's go second bag. Alright, well, let's do this bag first. So, y'all, okay, so I went to Dollar Tree and I'm just throwing all of these cleansers in this one bag so I can just show you all at the same time. Alright, y'all, we got 2 bags. So let's do this one first. So, y'all, I went to Dollar Tree. I am so addicted, like I told y'all earlier, at looking at their skincare items. And so I ran upon this cleanser by Bolero, the same brand. And I also found the matching facial toner. Okay, so let me bring them close so you guys can see. And this is a gel cleanser and a soothing facial toner. It is infused with cucumber and aloe, and that's exactly what it smells like, you guys. My skin is so dry right now, I need anything that says hydrating. So yeah, y'all, I will let y'all know my thoughts on that cleanser. Alright, last bag. And then we'll move on to Ross. Or should I make Ross a separate video? We'll see how long this is. We will see. Alright, last bag. So I only have 4 items in here, you guys, and I've never seen these dryer sheets before in the Dollar Tree, but when I tell you that they smell so freaking good, please believe me, they smell amazing. And they are by, I don't even know the name of the company, you guys. Like, what is the name of the company? I don't know. I don't even know. But when I tell y'all, they smell good. So here's what they look like. Okay, here they go. Have you all ever seen these dryer sheets before in your Dollar Tree? Let me tell you something. First of all, the packaging is gorgeous. Like, the packaging caught my eye. So I was like, what is that? So I went and then I smelled it. And you guys, oh my gosh. Let me tell you, they both smell good. But this one right here in honeysuckle, girl, when I tell you this thing smells so freaking good, I want to put some of these sheets in my dresser drawer and in my closet to make my clothes smell good. That is the purpose for this one. Girl, that thing smells so good. And I also want to try it, obviously, in the dryer, but I'm going to layer this one in my drawer. And it comes with 40 sheets. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Don't want to focus, but there it is. It comes with 40 sheets, y'all. Amazing. So good. So this was the first one I got, because I was like, let me just try this one and then I'll just come back and get this one. But y'all, this one was smelling so good, I was like, I gotta go back for the other one. I just have to. So then I went back for this one. So this one is in Sweet Pea Blossom. Y'all, it smells so freaking good. I will tell you, this one smells better, but this one is right behind it. It smells so good. So here's what the dryer sheets look like, and oh yeah, it's like a full dryer sheet. Yes, 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 yes. I'm gonna go put this in my drawer. Y'all, I also like to put dryer sheets like inside of my pillowcase to make the pillowcase smell good. Yes, y'all, these are wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. So when I do laundry tomorrow, I'm going to use them to see, you know, how well they work on the clothes. But even if I don't like these for my clothes, I'm going to love these for like my closet and my dresser drawers. They smell so freaking good, y'all. So I went to Dollar Tree and I saw this. Again, the packaging, just like it, this packaging, y'all, just did it. It did it for me. And it did it for the girl behind me too, because she was like, where'd you find that at? I was like, right in the back by the fabric softener, and she went and got her too, because they smell so good, y'all. All right, y'all, so here's what it looks like. Look at that packaging, and it's by Swivel Tail, and hopefully I'm saying that right. Are these dryer sheets by Swivel Tail? I don't know, because the packaging looks the same, y'all. That's why I was so drawn to this, and they were like right next to each other. Is it? Y'all, it don't say though. I don't know. Like literally, it doesn't say like what company. But look, I mean, like, right? It looks identical, the packaging. Even this one, look at this one. Don't it? Right? Right. Must be the same company, y'all, because the packaging is given. All right. So anyway, Swivel Tail. And so the first one that I have, y'all, I can smell this right through the cap. Oh, okay. All right, y'all, so this one is called Hawaiian Escape. Swivel Tail. Y'all only with that one. That smells good. And then this one is called Brazilian Paradise. Brazilian Paradise. Okay. Y'all, it says 90 days of freshness. I don't know, but when I tell y'all these things smell so good, all I'm saying is try them. When you go to the Dollar Tree, just smell them. Just smell it, and hopefully the scent will stick in my clothes. But it smells freaking amazing, you guys. Like, I'm not even capping. It smells so good. That is my Dollar Tree haul, y'all. This was the best Dollar Tree haul I have done in a very long time.